Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to cover the topic of PL/SQL. PL means procedural language. Means it depends on the procedures only. As you have studied in C, what are the procedures? They are the blocks of the code. So in this language, we work on the extension of SQL. So we can say PL/SQL is the combination of SQL along with the procedural features of the programming language. And PL/SQL, it is basically developed by the Oracle organization or Oracle Corporation in late 1980s. There are some features, or we can say what are the basic blocks of this language. It provides the block structure first, that is it, and the second thing is it contains procedural constants. These constants are variables, constants, and data types. In data types, you can have numeric data type or character data type. Numeric you can have number data type, integers, floats, constants, and in also you can have character data type, and then you can have varchar data type. What is the difference between character and varchar? Character only have alphabets in it, and varchar have alphanumeric characters. It can have varchar 2 and varchar. Now then, the date data type. Date data type is used to specify the date. If you want to specify date in any query or in any block, you can specify using the date data type. Then it has some control structures. What are the control structures? Control structures can have loops. It can have control statements also, or the conditional statements also. It has the reusable program units. Means if you written a code once in this language, or once in this if you written the block in this language, we can say once, then that can be executed many times, or that can be executed again and again. That can be reused again and again in some other blocks also. Now we go through the basic features of this language. First is it is highly portable. Means if you write a code in one machine, that code can be ported to the other machine without changing that code. So we can say that it is high performance transaction processing language because of these features. Second is it provides built-in features. It interpreted and OS independent environment. Means if you generate a code in this language, that code is independent of the environment or independent of the operating system you are using in the background. Third is it can execute a number of queries in one block. Means you can block many queries in a block, in a combination, and when you combine many queries, they will form a block, and then you can execute that block at one time. So then it is a procedural language, as it follow the procedure, so it is called the procedure language. Then we can say it can create procedures, function, packages, triggers. So we will go on these one by one in our next videos. What are the procedure, what are the functions, and what are the packages and triggers. It can handle exceptions. Means we can say the errors which occur during the execution, we can handle them, because in the block of in the SQL blocks, there is a step where we can add exceptions, means error handling functions. If your program don't do the way you want that to do, so in that case, what will happen to your code, or what will happen to your program, that you can do within the program, or that you can do within the procedure. So this is called exceptional handling. So we can say PL/SQL offers an extensive error checking and